Prince Andrew is on a collision course with the palace after he sensationally demanded a trial by jury overnight. It's the first time Andrew, 62, who has been stripped of his royal titles by the Queen, has publicly vowed to fight the case in court. The Duke will also no longer be able to use His Royal Highness, and will face his U.S. lawsuit as a private citizen, meaning he can hide behind royal privileges. The decision was agreed and approved by the Queen and means Andrew will fight the case as a private individual. Buckingham Palace said in a statement, "With the Queen's approval and agreement, the Duke of York's military affiliations and royal patronages have been returned to the Queen. The Duke of York will continue not to undertake any public duties and is defending this case as a private citizen. Andrew will no longer use his HRH title in any official capacity." But despite his split with the firm, it's thought that his decision to face a jury will mean he will butt heads with the royal family. A source told Mail Online, Andrew is on collision course with the palace over this. Meanwhile, other sources close to the prince say he is now preparing to give a 7-hour witness statement to lawyers by video call. A royal insider described the case as a marathon, not a sprint, and the Duke of York is telling Virginia, "I'll see you in court." His battle, a source has said. Court documents from New York show the royal denies all of the allegations against him and hereby demands a trial by jury on all causes of action asserted in the complaint. Andrew is named as the only defendant in the 15-page suit, brought under New York State's Child Victims Act, though Epstein and his former girlfriend Ghislaine Maxwell are mentioned frequently throughout. Ms. Giuffre's lawsuit stated, "In this country no person, whether president or prince, is above the law, and no person, no matter how powerless or vulnerable, can be deprived of the law's protection." 20 years ago, Prince Andrew's wealth, power, position, and connections enabled him to abuse a frightened, vulnerable child with no one there to protect her. It is long past the time for him to be held to account. Virginia Giuffre's lawyer David Boies welcomed the prospect of a public showdown tonight. He said, "Prince Andrew's answer continues his approach of denying any knowledge or information concerning the claims against him, and purporting to blame the victim of the abuse for somehow bringing it on herself. We look forward to confronting Prince Andrew with his denials and attempts to blame Ms. Giuffre for her own abuse at his deposition and at trial."